Okay, sorry about that. One of those cuts I just want to stop. Why is it doing this? It should just click into place. Click. Okay. Okay, wasn't to bleed on the plate thing. That's good. So there's a way I can tuck that in, I wonder. Probably I could find a tie to cover it back like that. That's probably a good idea. At the moment I don't think it's a problem. Okay, that's in. So gently pick him up. One more ground, just in case. Okay. As before, I'm probably expected to resist a bit, so I'm just going to put the back screws in first, especially the one on the left hand side. Once he's in, then should be resisting as much. Okay, maybe not. Find a screw that just actually can't go in. The back one there. It's okay, I'm trying to concentrate on these screws and making sure I don't drop them as I put them in. I've got my trusty magnetic screwdriver, which when I read shouldn't be in contact enough to actually damage anything. But I understand that the DVD has got more magnets in it than the screwdriver has. Center one. Side one. So I think before I power up, I'm going to secure that wire at the back, just in case. No, that's not the way to do it. Okay, last one to go in. So I think I'm going to leave the CPU to last, but I'm going to put the wireless one in next, I think. Probably fill the RAM up as well. So I'm trying to fill the first. So we have a slot in. This is the first channel, I think, or channel A, 1 and 3. Though I'm a bit confused now. I know it said to do this one and this one, but the numbering is 1, 3, 2, and 4. So I might have to change it. We'll see. I'm just down to 16. Let's see. Okay, so I put this one in first, I think. So notches line up. Goes pushing at the sides. Click and click. Yeah. So then, before what I was doing was actually putting in the clicks myself, and I think that can cause problems. So you don't think it'd be so sensitive. Oops. Do that. Come on. And we're doing this. Yeah. So click, click. Oh, that's much easier than before. So I don't know why it was so difficult. Whether it was that particular RAM, those particular motherboards. This is much more better, much more straightforward. So I think that's in. So now I need the wireless card. Go. Again, let's do a grinding. Into you. I think I'll get a clip for the screws just in case. Sure, keep tabs on them with all the screws out. Now, trusty wireless card. Seemed to be working out in the box before. Well, for the okay, what am I doing wrong? Stupid man. To work straight away with the Mac install. Come on. Okay, why don't you want to go in? You want to go in. That's it. That's it. Push them in. Yes. Screw. Okay, right, so then I think we'll do the umbilicals next. Which means I'm probably going to have to turn this around a bit. Turn around on the side. So we have, presumably these are all just the USB. Where's the USB 3? I think that's USB 3 there. Anyway, umbilicals. Manual. Let's see what's the shot like. Get a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Right, so this shot is for the umbilicals. Manual. So I need to check the setup of where they are. Front panel. Installation. Internal connectors. Where are you? Internal connectors P4. There we go. So 29. So we're looking at this page here, I think. This one here, the diagram, which is this one. That's what we're looking at. So, black is negative. Power switch. So power switch first. That seems to be the second one. Okay. I'm going to do them so that the writing is underneath like I did before. Two in, power switch. And what's this fella here? Reset switch. Reset switch, so it's second one in on the bottom. Again, doing the same thing with it. The LED HDD hard drive activity, so it's first on the bottom. Probably should have done it first, but never mind. Click. Then we have the power LEDs, which are on the bottom right, and there's a 3, so let's see which goes where. So negative is the one on the corner. Probably some add-on switches, but never mind. Just better to follow instructions. And where is he? There he is. You want to go in there? Yes. So I don't seem to have any other umbilicals. So message power sleep, no, I don't seem to have that one. And no speakers. No. Okay, there's a HD audio, which I'm going to set up now. It's this fella. Yes. Making sure I get the right orientation, so the missing pin is up front. Missing pin. So you should just slide on like that. Too much pressure, because if it's wrong it'll crush the pins. Then the USB one, which is this fella here. Right, we seem to have loads of USB. So you put them in the furthest one, and the pin is at the corner there, and the missing pin is at the top corner there. So go joint. So I've got a chicken right nearest one. Probably I should route him around there. Yeah. Sorry. He needs to come out through here. You can go over there. You can go underneath. Maybe not. Okay. Bottom one. Yes. And the USB 2, which I'm going to put over here. And the blank is missing in the corner. That. Okay. Now we'll get a tie back there, I think. Right on. Spine switch. Now I want to put these in. I want to put a connector in for that as well. Now I've only got 4, so I'm actually going to be short by 1. So I need 4 for the hard drives and 1 for the CD. Right, so the 2 fast SATAs I want to go into, which assume is the black one, and the slow ones are going to be down here. So 3, maybe that's a fast one, 2, 6 and 7, 4 and 5, 2 and 3, 0 and 1. So 0 I want to be the main one. It's on the bottom. I'll have to push him through later. I'll be able to do it now. Maybe I just can. Yes. There you go. And another one for the top one, the other SSD. Okay. Now I'm going to have to use one for the other hard drive, which would be the Seagate, I think. You can go on, I guess that's position 2. And I'm going to dump the, if I can go that way, it's going to have to come through here. Maybe put him in and then thread him through, and we'll see. How far I can get him to go. Time just having to think of what to do next. We have the, where is the USB? So, don't know if it's the best place there, but see, so there's a little groove there. The little groove goes in here. Okay, that's the USB done. It's very close to the graphics card is going to be lined through there, so not sure if that's going to work. Yes, hang on. So technically we could put the graphics card in now. So that's what starters we need to go on here. What are we doing on that frame? We'll be able to see much of this graphics card now. That should be better for you. So you zoom them out. Yes, that's much better. Okay, slide them very carefully. Yeah, see, it's really going to be a bad fit for that USB cable. Okay, we might be able to squeeze them in just about to push all the joints out of the way. Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. It's in. Push down. Yes, in. Wow. Nice. Okay, actually there's more clearance than I thought there, so we're good. The screws back in. Should remember to put the fan power on this time. Really. Okay, that's very difficult. No, you're not going into the case. Okay. Okay, good, right, so this power socket is going here. Be tricky. I tried to get an extender, and of all the things they had in the shop, this wasn't one of them. Okay. They had loads of other extenders, but they just didn't have anything to put my, okay, this is different to the other one, which is actually nicer. Yeah, because the other one was at right angles to here. Now it's just a question of just doing this, making sure the clip is on the front, and there you go, go and slot in. Still a bit of an awkward bend, but it's not going to touch the fans, and it's actually closer than the other one. It's good. We'll put the board one in. Do I want to do it like that? Yep. Clip down that side. Okay, wow. He's in. Don't hear any sounds though, never mind. Now I need to tidy these up, and I need to put that on as well. Power to the, so okay, there's a spare cable, spare I think. Just a minute short. Where's that? Not there. Oh, a bit. Yeah. Okay, power on, motherboard power, fan power, leads are done, these wires need sorting out, but almost there. I do need to put one more SAT power in now. Did I put them all in? 2, 3, yes. These all can be tucked out of the way. Tidying up. Just putting the aerials on. Yeah, I could bring them out like that. I don't know. Probably just put them down the side and tie them down. About tidiness later, I think. These definitely go in the back. Okay. Let's just pull this up. Do you want to do a test first? Just to make sure everything's okay. Might as well finish it off. Sorry, this shot won't be very good. Get them over here. You can just see me messing about. There we go. Should be reasonable enough, right? So, okay, there's no power there to the back. So I need a power lead for the back. There's one, this one. very fiddly to get this one on the back in.